Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Wix site in the editor and confirming which editor you use. Once done, switch to the page where the header will live and unlock the header area if locked. You'll add the menu bar into that header so it appears site-wide, choose the header region, and keep your Pages panel visible. Make sure you know which pages should appear and their order. This prevents back and forth later and speeds up the menu creation. You now add the actual menu element. Click Add, select Menu, then pick a style and drag it into the header area. Next, open Manage Menu to link each menu item to the correct page or anchor, create drop-downs for subpages, and reorder items by dragging. Once links are set, style your menu, set font, size, spacing, colors, and hover or active states so users understand where they are. Remember to preview across screen sizes to verify responsive behavior. You finish by ensuring the menu appears site-wide. Place it inside the header or enable show on all pages. Then preview and publish. Test every link, hover state, and the mobile menu toggle. If something looks off, clear caches and retest. A common fix: reassign a broken link or correct an anchor ID mismatch, then republish. If mobile layout overlaps content, adjust mobile-specific menu settings or hide items, and add a condensed menu to keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.